The Hoover Steam Capsule will help you deep clean your floors in a natural and effective way. Discover 100% chemical-free cleaning. A steam capsule uses only water to create powerful steam to effectively remove bacteria without leaving toxic residues behind. It has two nozzles built into one, a rectangular one for cleaning large surfaces and a triangular nozzle with bristles for removing grime and stubborn dirt. It's also particularly handy in getting into tight corners. It's got handy electronic controls, so you can set the right steam settings easily. There's a low setting for delicate surfaces such as parquet flooring, a medium setting for tiles and vinyl, and a high setting for marble and stones. It also includes a glider accessory so that you can freshen up rugs and carpets. And for simple storage, you can remove the handle so that everything will fit into your kitchen cupboard neatly. If you're looking to deep clean your floors without using any chemicals, look no further than the Hoover Steam Capsule.